to make how to use a video pad. This is a simple tutorial. If you want an advanced tutorial, be there. It will be there. Can get some more. It will be soon. Here we got video track and an audio track. We will be focusing on the in the video track. Let's try a colour. Let's choose a normal colour, like red. Then go press OK. Then add blank. You'll see the blank clip, but you can put whatever you want. To add a text, you can do it. Let's do a simple text overlay. We'll change the font to something better. Then what all my paint.net fonts. We'll not use Comic Sans. Like if you want full pack 2025, you have to get it from a whole different program, paint.net. But it's okay. Let's just write test. To export video, you export to YouTube. I'll save it as private because I don't want people to see it on my YouTube channel. This is my real YouTube channel that I'm putting it into. Let's just write test. Then you can write what you want in the description. Wait, I'll just write a test with videopad. Then you save it as a category you want. For something like let's just do something that doesn't even be like what it is, like travel and events. Now let's save it at private because we don't want people to see this. It's now processing. Now it should be uploaded to YouTube. I'll just look on my tablet. I'll go to the YouTube app, go to my channel, there's Pit 4. How to Basic made a video. Said that for no reason. Test. There, your video is finished. In more advanced tutorials, we will do more stuff. Because this is a beginner, let's end.